How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about a forearm workout for arm wrestling. Now, before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Now, the exercises that I am going to include are going to be the best exercises that you can do. So let's start off with the first exercise. The first exercise that we will be doing is called the dumbbell forearm curl. And I highly recommend this. If you guys look at my forearms, you can see that I've really developed my forearm muscles. You can also see them here, very developed forearm muscles. Now the reason for this, and again I'm going to show you the exercise, is because of the dumbbell forearm curl. I have been doing these for a very long time. Now to do these, again I'm holding 45 pounds right now. All you're going to do is keep the dumbbell out to the side. Now you can see my forearm flexor flexing already. Now what you want to do is simply curl up like so with the dumbbell. So again, dumbbell to the side, all we're going to do is curl up like so. And you guys can see when I'm doing it, you can see the forearm muscle being flexed. So again, the range of motion isn't a lot. Again, all I'm doing is I'm curling up with the dumbbell. It's very simple. It's a very small motion. All you're doing, again, without a dumbbell, is you're doing this. That's all you're doing. And you can see the muscle being worked. Now, for me personally, I can do about 80 or 90 pounds with these. I'm just showing you guys with a smaller amount of weight. On the other hand, same thing. So again, dumbbell forearm curl. That's all you're doing, you guys. Dumbbell forearm curl. And you can see the forearm muscle being flexed when we're doing it. Amazing exercise to perform. I highly recommend doing this one. Now with the forearms, you can work them out every other day. They're not like a major muscle group, so you can train them 3 times a week, you guys. 3 times a week is fine. Personally, I train every muscle 3 times a week. That's just me personally. I have developed some decent muscle mass. Again, for your forearms, 3 times a week, every other day. Do the forearm curls. They will help you guys. Trust me on this. The next exercise is going to be the dumbbell hammer curl, you guys. Hammer curls, they're so underrated, but what they'll do is they're going to help all your forearm muscle. Now, if you guys see, my arms are really developed because of doing the hammer curls, you guys. See everything in here, the forearm muscles. Right here, that little bump, you guys, the brachialis, right there, you guys. The little bump, your forearm. If you're looking for arm thickness, I know a lot of people, they got the dumbbell or they got the bicep bump. They don't really have the thickness though. So if you look pretty good when you do a double bicep pose, but from the side your arm thickness isn't too good, it's because you're not performing hammer curls. Hammer curls will give you the thickness from the side, you guys. Now to do the hammer curl, all you're going to do is take a neutral grip, and all you're going to do is curl it up like so. That's all we're going to do. And again, you can see the muscles being worked. It's going to be the forearm muscles, but you're also going to get a little bit of bicep in there. Hammer curls are very good to do. I highly recommend doing them. So I recommend doing 2 weeks of 20 reps, 2 weeks of 15 reps, 2 weeks of 10 reps, then deload for 2 weeks. Keep doing this and your forearms will be huge. Trust me on this, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.